The iTel P65 is one of the latest smartphones from iTel. It has some cool features and also an innovative gaming design. Although we've seen similar gaming designs on gaming devices like the Tecno Power 6 Neo and the Infinix GT20 Pro. But does that actually make this device a gaming smartphone? Well, in this video, we're going to be talking about everything you need to know about the iTel P65. So without wasting much of your time, let's vibe on. Hey, what's up guys, it's Lloyd here. In today's video, we'll be reviewing the all-new iTel P65. So starting with the unboxing, the iTel P65 comes with all the essential accessories that you will need, including an 18 watts fast charger and a case. Not just a common case, but an exceptional case that can literally power the iTel P65 with its 2400 mAh and case battery capacity. Pretty cool, right? Now, the iTel P65 is made of a plastic on the rear and on the frame, and also it has a punch-hole display screen. The gaming design on this device makes it look cool, to be honest. I like the design, I like the camera setup and the two LED ring lights. The first one functions as the main flash, while the second one functions as an indicator for notifications and other stuff like that. In terms of display, the iTel P65 has a cool display. It is a 720 pixel display and not a 1080 pixel display. And of course, 1080 pixel display could have been more better on the device. But you know, this device still falls between an entry-level smartphone range, just like the Tecno Pop 9 and the Infinix Smart 9. So the 720 pixel display on the device doesn't mean you can't watch your favorite shows with clear image. It's just that it can't be better than a 1080 pixel display smartphone. Just get the point. Well, this device comes with 6.7-inch 720 pixel IPS LCD panel with a high refresh rate of 120 Hz. So you're actually getting smooth performance while scrolling on apps or navigating on sites on this device. And also you can switch between 90 Hz to 120 Hz refresh rate. Or better say, leave it on 120 Hz refresh rate to enjoy haptic response. Powering the iTel P65 is the Unisoc T65 chipset, which is a 12nm built-up process. Nothing too fancy about this chipset though. It can pretty much handle your daily tasks, and also when it comes to minor games, it gets the job done. The iTel P65 can handle intensive graphic games, but in low graphic setting. You are likely to experience some lags when the device starts accommodating files. So I can actually recommend this smartphone to an actual gamer looking for a budget gaming phone. Well, you can click the link here or check out my recommendation for budget gaming phones under 200,000 naira in the description below. On the camera aspect of this device, the iTel P65 comes with two camera sensors, a 50 megapixel main camera and an auxiliary lens, while on the front it has a 8 megapixel selfie camera, selfie shot. The cameras are pretty good and can only record videos up to 1080 pixel at 30 fps. So the iTel P65 has an internal memory storage of 4GB RAM and 128GB of ROM. It also has the 8GB variant and a micro SD card slot for further memory expansion. Now this device runs on Android 14 based on the latest iTel OS 14. Which is pretty cool. This device has a decent battery capacity of 5000 mAh that supports 18 watts fast charger. And also, it comes with a charging case that have an extra 2400 mAh battery in it. This is nice. That can really be helpful when you run out of battery. I like the fact that this doesn't waste much as power banks. It just feels light, to be honest. So to purchase the iTel P65, it's going to cost you 146,000 naira, which is $85. Yeah. And you have pretty color options to opt for, which are the Cyber Blaze, the Cyber Black, and the Cyber Titanium. Yeah, so here comes the end of my review video for the iTel P65. Let me know in the comment section of what you think about this device. And yeah, don't forget to check out the channel for latest smartphone reviews and comparison. Yeah, so thanks for watching. Please don't forget to subscribe and also turn on the notification bell to always get notified whenever we drop any video on the channel. Just for Tech, signing out. Peace.